Good morning, Walter. Good morning, Brian. Who else is here? Your birthday, Natalie. Be right back. Hi, Natalie. I'm just waking up. How is everybody? Just woke up. I don't feel like getting up yet. What time is it? 8:30. Eggs are bakey. I got a new sub. What do you mean? Did they sub against? Did they sub me? Should I go back in the chat? Charlie was here. Oh, Gaylan's across the lands in Nevada. I'll check him out. He said hi. He connected to you guys. All right. Sounds cool. That was it, though. Okay. He'll be back. What'd you do? Copy that, Walter? I just read that. Excuse me. There was a couple vertical live streams, there was a couple ago, where I had 8 new subs in one stream. That's pretty damn good. Some people would love that. Excuse me.